Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, let's work on exercise number 13. Just gonna maximize this for you to take the screenshot. Now minimizing it. Let's go for a new part. And now, let's go for a sketch as usual, and let's start giving the sketch on front plane. I'm just gonna create two circles, and also now we have that. Let's use a trim and trim this portion, and now use a smart dimension to start dimensioning the sketch. Now this must be radius. No, we're talking about the diameter, so it should be the diameter, right? Yeah, no, it's the radius. So let's give the radius of 20. Now here we are talking about the diameter, so we need to give the diameter of 20, and here 100, and here it must be 60. No, you can just leave it as it is. And here it's 10. And this height here must be 40. Now just wait till the sketch becomes fully constrained. Now what else to be constrained? If you don't know what needs to be constrained next, press escape and just try moving the sketch. See where the sketch is trying to move. Yes, it's moving towards the horizontal side, but it's not actually increasing the scale or the length or anything. So it means that the sketch need to be constrained with respect to the origin. So you can just select the origin and one of the corners and go for coincidence, and it will be fully constrained. Now you can exit the sketch and go for features, go for extrude boss and base, and give 25 on both sides. Also you can give 50 on one side, it's up to you. I just love to keep my my model symmetric. And now as I'm doing it this way, I just want to show you what is the benefit of keeping it symmetric. You can see that if at all I have to create any geometries or anything, maybe I created some geometry here. If I would like to mirror it, I don't need to create an extra plane. The plane is already over here. That happened because I just decided to give pad on both sides symmetrically. So that's just a quick tip. Anyways, we'll just continue with what we were doing. So that is just to select this plane here and go for creating a new sketch and go for just inverting and zoom out a little bit and use the line here. Click on this corner, just move it a little outside, just keep it here, and use these edges and convert entities. Just convert it into the sketch, and now you can just select this line and this arc and this line, go for tangent, and now you can just simply use the trim entities and just trim these. Oops, that's a problem. what just happened. Use these lines and do convert entities. Okay, now use a trim and just trim these portions. Yes, now it's working. Now you can just exit the sketch and go for extrude, and extrude in the opposite direction and give the extrude thickness as 10 mm. You can just click on the tick mark and that would actually create that portion as well. And also you can see a fillet done over here. So in this video we are also getting to learn how to do the fillet. Just select the edge that you would like to do the fillet and you will get an option to fillet eventually. Or else alternately you can also create the fillet over here. You also have an option to create the chamfer. To create the chamfer, maybe some time in the future when we are doing some exercise, it would definitely come. So I will show the chamfer at that time. For now, it's just a fillet. Just select the edge of the fillet, edge that you would like to do the fillet, and click on the fillet. And then you would be getting this option here, and you can mention whatever radius that you would like to give. So I'll just select 3 and press enter one more time, and that will create the fillet. So inputting certain inputs and getting that applied in the screen is not that instantaneous and simultaneous as the way it happens in CATIA. So maybe that's just a drawback of SolidWorks, I think. Anyways, every software has its own advantages and disadvantages. At the end of the day, SolidWorks and CATIA, everything comes under the Sol system. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any queries, you can write below the video, and also stay tuned for the coming uploads. Thank you.